Welcome. Today we're going to go over an at-home U11 hockey core workout that's going to take you guys about 12 minutes to complete. As far as equipment goes, all you're going to need is some type of pad to kneel on and then something about 5 to 10 pounds worth. So I have a plate here. You can use a dumbbell if you have access to that. And if you don't have access to either, you can hold on to a jug full of water and that'll give you roughly about 5 pounds. Or if you want, you can fill up your book bag with a few books so that you equate 5 to 10 pounds. So you're gonna need that for one of the exercises. The 4 exercises we're gonna go through today is a front plank, a dead bug, and then we're gonna do a side plank, and then a half kneeling chop. So we're gonna run through those 4 exercises in a circuit style. At the end of the 4 exercises, we're gonna give ourselves about 20-25 seconds rest to grab some water before we repeat this again. Remember, this is only gonna take about 12 minutes, so that excuse of I don't have enough time to get better, that's eliminated. Let's get going. The first exercise we got is a front plank. We're gonna hold this for 20 seconds. So I'm gonna get my watch started here. We wanna make sure that when we're holding this plank, we wanna tuck our hips underneath. So we wanna be nice and flat through that low back. So we're gonna get set here in our front plank position. We've got 20 seconds on the clock. Tuck that chin, tuck your hips, and drop through your shoulders. So it should be a nice straight line. If you were to have your hockey stick on your back, you would touch the back of your head between your shoulder blades, so that mid back, and then also kind of your tailbone, low back area. A few more seconds here. So holding that core nice and strong, keeping elbows underneath the shoulders. Good. Then from there, we're gonna get onto our back. We're gonna do a dead bug. Hold, so staying in that lock core theme, we're going to get our knees over top of our hips, low back stays tight, head is flat to the ground, my hands are up over top of my shoulders. I'm going to extend one leg, one arm. I'm going to hold this for 3 seconds. I'm going to come back up. Opposite side's going to go out. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to repeat that 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, back up. 1, 2, 3, back up. 1, 2, 3. We'll finish up on this side. 1, 2, 3. Good. From there, we're gonna go side plank. We're gonna hold the top position for 3 seconds. And then we're gonna drop down, lightly touch your hip on the ground, and then pop back up in that side plank position. So we're gonna get our top leg in front. We're gonna butt up, heel and toe together. Plank up. 1, 2, 3. Drop down and back up. 1, 2, 3. And back up. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. Good. On the other side, I'll show you from this view so you can see that we need to get through our hips. So we want to make sure we're a nice straight line. I don't want to be sitting back here. I want to be pushing through my hips. 1, 2, 3. Touch. Back up. 1, 2, 3. 2 more. Good. From there, this is when we need our pad and our weight. We're going to do a half kneeling chop. This one is a little bit more hip stability and hip control, as well as into that core. So I want to make sure that core is locked. So I want to tuck underneath. Think about pulling my ribs in front and my hips together. As I go through this chopping motion, I don't want my hips moving on me. So that core is going to help stabilize through my hips as well as the muscles in my hip. So I'm locked through here, coming up and across, 10 per side. Good, halfway. Control, up and down. 2 more. Perfect. Switch sides. Once again, tucking my ribs, my hips, keeping my hips locked. Halfway. Perfect. That is our first round. Grab a drink of water. Give ourselves about 20 seconds, get some water, catch our breath. Move our plate or whatever we're using for weight out of the way. We'll get right back into it. So front plank, I'll show you from the front side this time. What that should look like. Focus on engaging through that front side of your core. If you feel this in your low back, chances are you're extending through low back. So that means your butt is up in the air like that. So we want to tuck underneath. A few more seconds here. Good. We're holding this one for 3 seconds, but we're full extension. And 3 per side. Good. 1 more per side. If you find your low back is lifting up off the ground, don't extend your legs quite as far. Good. Now our side plank. Top leg is in front, driving through those hips. Two more. Nice. Same thing, 2 more on this side. And then grab our pad with our plate. One more. Nice work. Get that pad, plate out of the way, grab one more sip of water. A few more seconds on our rest. All right, last time through, here we go. Tuck hips, drop down through the shoulders, push up to do that head. If you can, try and breathe only through your nose. Think about breathing into your stomach. Good. Nice work. Dead bugs. One more per side. Good. Now we'll go side plank. One more. Other side. Two more. Good. Our last. Don't forget, tuck our ribs and our hips together. Nice and strong through those hips. That's 8. 2 more. All right, last side. Here we go. Finish strong. Great job, you guys. Let's see how long that took us. So that is our 12-minute at-home U11 hockey core circuit.